What is fact extract?
Finding facts in documents used to mean weeks, boxes, highlighters.
Not anymore.
Give the pile to fact extract. It reads every page and hands back a spreadsheet of every fact it found. Use Fact Extract Desktop to view and research your documents. Connect it to your favorite AI, like Claude, and ask in plain English. Every answer cites its sources. Click, and you're on the exact page. Check it, correct it, trust it. Our free apps prepare, search, and annotate privately on your own computer. Add the AI only when you want it. Factextract.net. Your documents have answers. Find them.